The exact reason why dropshipping on Shopify isn't dead is because I was able to generate almost $5,000 in the span of 48 hours. Now look, I'm not gonna sit here and say that this is super easy to achieve for anybody, because it's not. Nonetheless, what is possible is for anyone to achieve this with the right implementation and strategies. And of course, a little bit of persistence. With that being said, I recommend watching the entire video because I'll be sharing exactly that, so y'all can go ahead and essentially copy and paste this for your own stores. So in order for any Shopify store to go ahead and achieve this, it needs a product, more so a winning product. Oh, and by the way, if you are thinking of starting a new Shopify store, you now can for only $1 a month through my special link in the description down below. I mean, why pay 39 bucks a month when you can pay only a single Washington? Now, my process of finding winning products on TikTok is pretty simple. I don't like to gatekeep or sugarcoat or anything like that. Just plain and simple, my go-to tool to utilize is PP ads. Now look, PP ads doesn't only let you spy on your competitors on the surface, but it allows you to go much deeper than that. For example, the exact creatives they're utilizing, the number of orders, their ad spend, so on and so forth. And all of this information is extremely crucial. This allows you to strategically beat your competition, right? To outbid your competition more so by having you analyze and crafting together a better scenario on your end, which is exactly what you want. Exactly what you want as an emerging Shopify store in the market to test this product out. And what do you know? All of this will ultimately be in your favor to maximize the chances of that product test working out. So to save y'all some time, I actually made a full step-by-step tutorial on how to implement PP ads in your dropshipping product research and validation. A link to that will be in the description down below, so definitely check it out once you are done watching this video. Oh, and how can I forget? You'll also get 15% off if you do utilize my link, which will definitely save you some money, but I promise it's well worth it. Although I do like to follow a set of guidelines that I recommend you also follow when eyeing down certain dropshipping products, this specific checklist will definitely allow you to find products that have a little bit more longevity in the market. And at the end of the day, if you do want to be in this game of e-com dropshipping long term, your goal should be nothing but quality, revisiting, and lifetime customers. So listen up. I just want to say that sure, pump and dump products can be great. Sometimes, they can make you a quick bag, but oftentimes they only last for a few short weeks, or if you're lucky, a few short months. First and foremost, I always like to make sure that I'm trying to sell a problem-solving product, a product that adds some sort of value to people's day-to-day or weekly lives, a product that someone can actually utilize on a weekly basis. Try and make sure that your problem-solving product relates to a unique commonality, right? That it finds a solution to that more so. So pain, problem, insecurity, task, situation, just to name a few. Next, and this is a very simple rule of thumb, you want to make sure that your markup on the product is at least 2.5 to 3x more the landed price. This will give you some good cushioning when it comes to running paid ads. So for example, if a product costs you $5 and the shipping is $3, your landed price for that product in total is $8. So you should be able to sell that product for at least about $19.95 or 20 bucks to have a healthy profit margin. Truth is, sometimes you'll find a really good product, but you just won't be able to sell it. In that case, you can't do much if you're not selling it at scale, because for bulky products, for heavy products, sometimes the shipping can be $20, $30, upwards of $40 even I've seen. But as a general rule of thumb, you should be able to find a product that gives you, that allows you that 2.5 to 3x markup based on the perceived value of the product, which is very important. And lastly, this is the most important one by far, is you want to ensure that the product is mass targetable and mass approachable. This will allow you to take different angles within that product. This means that you can find and target specific untapped sub audiences within that product, right? Really certain audience personas that haven't really been marketed to for that product, and the longevity can be expanded even longer. More than that, you can really go ahead and turn a saturated product to not so much of a saturated product. For example, take a look at this product right here. It's like a plunger or something like that for a sink or toilet, and this advertiser is selling it to parents who have little kids who have babies. This is just one of many examples as to why a mass targetable product can really expand the life cycle of it. So what you're all waiting for, okay? My product was a teeth whitening color correcting serum, and as y'all can see, people are always trying to find efficient ways to whiten their teeth, right? This is always a solution that is open on the market for e-commerce companies to take over. Why I chose this product and why I love this product and did so well with it is because not only can you target the general population like you or me, for example, but you can also pinpoint, okay, what I was talking about before. You can pinpoint a certain audience persona who drinks a lot of coffee or who smokes, for example, that can also benefit from a product like this. This product exactly did that, okay? First of all, it's purple, so it looks cooler than your average toothpaste, and it also quickly whitens teeth than your traditional toothpaste or mouthwash on the market. And typically, people are looking for quick solutions when it comes to their problems. That's just how people work in general. Let me let y'all in a little something if you guys didn't already notice. You have to find a product that people are already spending money behind, okay? A product that people are already buying. The product only has to be unique within its niche. People are already buying different toothpastes and dental flosses and mouthwashes. The list can go on and on and on, but this color correcting serum does it in a better way, a quicker way, a more efficient way, a cooler way. It's kind of like the back posture corrector. People have already been spending a lot of money for different back pain posture devices, going to chiropractors, so on and so forth. I mean, collectively, it was probably a 9-figure product in the industry, in the dropshipping market. The reason why I did so well, because it really offered a solution in a very simple basis. People can wear it underneath their shirts while they're doing activities. It doesn't matter if you're male, female, 25 or 65. It doesn't matter in which country you live in. And also, it let marketers take different angles. If you're a stock trader, if you're pregnant, if you're a construction worker, right? There's so many different personas that you could have set for a product like that, and that's why it performed so well. So just let that sink in. So once I found the product through PP ads, my next thing to do was finally set up the offer. And hear me when I say this, but you want your offer to be irresistible to your potential customer. It's almost like you want them to think that they're taking advantage of you. And depending on the nature of the product, different offers will work and react in different ways. At the end of the day, the name of the game is testing. There's no one right or wrong or best or worst offer per se right off the bat. So I was offering a single pack of toothpaste for $19.95 and a pack of 2 for $27.95. I recognize that toothpaste is obviously something that people will initially run out of, whether it be in a few weeks or a month or two, right? So why not offer a 2-pack bundle as the best value deal? Why not just buy 2 right off the bat, by spending a few extra bucks instead of just buying one single toothpaste pack? And what do you know? Over 50% of customers opted into this 2-pack value deal. Try to tap into customer psychology and human behavior, how one will logically react upon seeing your product on the product page. But yeah, overall, this offer increased my AOV to 24 bucks, as y'all can see. A great offer, a clean looking product page, and optimized funnel led me to having a 5.62% conversion rate at scale. Point is, think about the product logically. Think about the nature of the product like I mentioned before. I know people say this all the time, but put yourself in your customer's shoes and see what offer will work the best, right? What offer will literally benefit the customer, making it a no-brainer for them to initially purchase. It could even be something like buy one, get one free, buy one, get one 50% off. You won't believe this, but in fact, I even tested those initially, but they didn't work as well. Now, obviously, there's one more puzzle piece missing to bring this all together, and that's a great TikTok ad strategy. I was able to achieve this with paid ads, and again, with paid ads, that's where the longevity and more so the scalability comes into play, where you can reach those consistent 2, 3, 5, and 10K days, of course. So y'all can see over the 48-hour period on the 2nd and 3rd, we spent $2,359.85, and we were obviously able to generate almost $5,000 in sales, resulting in a 2.1 ROAS. Now, if you're also wondering the most important thing about your ads performing well, those are the creatives itself, right? The ads itself. So I actually get all my creatives from Viral Ecom Ads. They do that the best, so I let them handle it. If you are looking for high converting creatives that can bring y'all results like this, check out Viral Ecom Ads in the description down below. If you do use my link, you'll also get a 15% off discount. Now, I also don't want to make this a full TikTok ads tutorial video, but you're in luck because I already have one on the channel. So once you're watching this video, definitely check it out. I'll be having a link to that in the description down below. But that is the exact click-by-click strategy I use to set up this very product. So yeah, you can literally just go ahead and copy and paste that for any dropshipping product. Also, I want to give y'all a huge shout, a huge thank you for helping me reach 10,000 subscribers on on the channel. I'm super grateful that I'm able to share this insight and this value, case studies like this, you know, based on my e-com journey, my dropshipping journey. So thank you guys so much for that.
I appreciate that.
And with that being said, let me also know what other types of videos you guys would like to see on the channel. I'm always trying to improve the content over here so you guys can apply it and actually make some money with it. Other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until the next one, it's your boy Yash. Peace.